Are eggs really bad for your heart? Let's find out. It's no secret that eggs have been at the center of controversy, with many people believing they are bad for your heart. But why is this the case? What has led to this widespread belief? In this video, we'll explore the myths and misconceptions surrounding eggs and the often overlooked health benefits of eggs. Let's crack open the discussion and shed light on this hot topic once and for all. When addressing myths or misconceptions about eggs and heart health, here are the most common ones. Number 1. Eggs raise cholesterol levels. Many people believe that consuming eggs will significantly increase cholesterol levels in the body. However, research has shown that dietary cholesterol from eggs has minimal impact on blood cholesterol levels for most individuals. The belief that consuming eggs will significantly raise cholesterol levels in the body stems from the fact that eggs are a rich source of dietary cholesterol. However, it's important to understand that dietary cholesterol and blood cholesterol are not the same thing. Research has consistently shown that the impact of dietary cholesterol on blood cholesterol levels varies among individuals. While some individuals may experience a slight increase in blood cholesterol after consuming foods high in cholesterol, such as eggs, for most people, the effect is minimal. This is because our bodies have a regulatory mechanism that compensates for the cholesterol we consume through diet. When we consume cholesterol-rich foods like eggs, our liver adjusts its production of cholesterol accordingly, keeping our blood cholesterol levels in balance. Moreover, it's worth noting that the relationship between dietary cholesterol and heart disease risk is more complex than previously believed. Recent studies have challenged the long-held assumption that dietary cholesterol directly translates to an increased risk of heart disease. In fact, research has shown that other factors, such as the overall quality of the diet, the types of fats consumed, and lifestyle factors like physical activity, have a more significant impact on heart health than dietary cholesterol alone. A review published in the British Journal of Nutrition in 2014 found that dietary cholesterol, including that from eggs, had a modest impact on blood cholesterol levels in only a subset of individuals. The review suggested that the response to dietary cholesterol varies among individuals and is influenced by factors such as genetics and overall diet quality. It's important to note that individual responses to dietary cholesterol can vary, and those with specific health conditions, such as familial hypercholesterolemia, may need to monitor their cholesterol intake more closely. However, for the majority of individuals, moderate egg consumption as part of a balanced diet is unlikely to have a significant impact on blood cholesterol levels or increase the risk of heart disease. Number 2. Eggs increase the risk of heart disease. The claim that eggs increase the risk of heart disease has been a common misconception that has been debunked by scientific research. Even though eggs have been associated with their cholesterol content, as they are one of the richest sources of dietary cholesterol, it's important to understand that dietary cholesterol has a limited impact on blood cholesterol levels for most individuals. The body has a complex system for regulating cholesterol, and the cholesterol we consume from food has a relatively small effect compared to other factors like saturated and trans fats in the diet. Numerous scientific studies have investigated the relationship between egg consumption and the risk of heart disease. The majority of these studies have consistently found that moderate egg consumption within a balanced diet does not significantly increase the risk of heart disease or stroke in healthy individuals. Some studies have even suggested potential benefits of egg consumption, such as improved HDL, good cholesterol levels, and increased satiety. Number 3. Eggs should be avoided by individuals with diabetes. The misconception that individuals with diabetes should avoid eggs solely based on their cholesterol content has been challenged by recent research. While eggs do contain cholesterol, it is now understood that dietary cholesterol has a limited impact on blood cholesterol levels for most people, including those with diabetes. Several studies have examined the relationship between egg consumption and diabetes risk factors. Here are a few key points. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition in 2016 analyzed data from multiple studies and found no significant association between egg consumption and the risk of developing type 2 diabetes. The American Diabetes Association and the American Heart Association have revised their guidelines to remove specific limitations on dietary cholesterol intake, including eggs, for individuals with diabetes. They now focus more on overall dietary patterns, such as consuming a balanced diet that includes a variety of nutrient-rich foods. The misconception that individuals with diabetes should avoid eggs solely due to their cholesterol content is not supported by current research. Eggs can be part of a healthy and balanced diet for individuals with diabetes, as long as they are consumed in moderation and as part of an overall nutritious eating plan. Number 4. Only egg whites should be consumed. Egg yolks are unhealthy. The suggestion that consuming only egg whites is a healthier option is a common belief, but it is important to consider the nutritional value of both the egg whites and the yolk. While egg whites are a good source of protein and low in calories, discarding the yolk means missing out on several essential nutrients. Egg yolk contains a significant portion of the egg's nutrients. It is a rich source of vitamins such as vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E, vitamin K, and B-complex vitamins, including B12, as well as minerals like iron, zinc, and selenium. The yolk also contains healthy fats, including omega-3 fatty acids, which benefit heart health. The yolk is the part of the egg that contains cholesterol. However, it is now understood that dietary cholesterol has a limited impact on blood cholesterol levels for most individuals. The American Heart Association and the Dietary Guidelines for Americans no longer set specific limits on dietary cholesterol intake, including that from eggs, due to the lack of strong evidence linking it to increased heart disease risk. While egg whites can be a good option for those looking for a low-calorie, high-protein source, excluding the yolk is unnecessary unless advised by a healthcare professional for specific health reasons. Egg yolk contributes to the taste, texture, and overall satisfaction of consuming eggs. Including it in your diet can help increase satiety and make your meals more enjoyable. Now that we've addressed the common misconceptions about eggs, let's explore the numerous health benefits they offer. Eggs are an excellent source of high-quality protein, containing all the essential amino acids needed for the body's growth, repair, and maintenance of tissues. Protein is essential for muscle development, immune function, and hormone production. Eggs are nutrient-dense. They are packed with essential vitamins and minerals. They are a good source of vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E, vitamin K, and B-complex vitamins like B12, riboflavin, and folate. Eggs also provide minerals such as iron, zinc, selenium, and phosphorus, which are important for various bodily functions. Eggs contain nutrients like lutein and zeaxanthin, which are beneficial for eye health. These antioxidants help reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration and cataracts, promoting good vision. Aid in brain function. Choline, an essential nutrient found in eggs, plays a crucial role in brain development and function. It is involved in the production of neurotransmitters that regulate mood, memory, and cognitive function. And what about heart health? As we have covered so far, contrary to previous beliefs, moderate egg consumption does not appear to increase the risk of heart disease in healthy individuals. Actually, eggs contain healthy fats, including omega-3 fatty acids, which can help reduce inflammation and promote heart health. Additionally, eggs are a good source of folate and B vitamins that support cardiovascular health. Here's more. Including eggs in your meals can help control appetite, reduce calorie intake, and support weight management efforts. Eggs can also be prepared in various ways, making them suitable for different dietary preferences and culinary preferences. They are also relatively affordable and widely accessible. Now you know why eggs are excellent for your health, so crack one open and enjoy the egg straw protein. In conclusion, we have debunked common myths and shed light on the incredible health benefits that eggs bring to the table. From being a rich source of protein and essential nutrients to supporting eye health and brain function, eggs deserve their place in a balanced diet. So next time you're at the grocery store, don't overlook the incredible potential of this humble yet versatile ingredient. If you're hungry for more valuable insights on nutrition and wellness, be sure to check out our video on the incredible benefits of ginger to discover other surprising facts that can elevate your health journey. Enjoyed the video? Share your exquisite recipe and let your culinary brilliance shine. We're craving your delicious creation. Don't keep it to yourself. Share it with us now.